Now we will learn partial fraction. I am Professor Sanjay Yadav. I have graduated from COEP Pune in mechanical branch. I have been teaching from last 25 years. I have my own teaching institute by name Onkar Engineering Classes situated at Mahadev Nagar, Manjri Road, Pune. I have been teaching all mechanical diploma and degree subjects with M1, M2, M3. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Onkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. In previous videos, we studied case 1 and case 2. In this video, we will learn case 3. Of partial fraction. Case 3 represent denominator has non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor. Quadratic factor. We know that in 10th standard we learn factors of quadratic equation: x square plus 5x plus 6. Split 5 into two parts: 3, 2. X square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Common from first two term is 3. X plus 3. Plus common x from first two term, x plus 3, and from last two term common term is 2, x plus 3. Then from these two terms common factor is x plus 3. In second bracket x plus 2. Therefore x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 2, minus 2. This is known as factors of given quadratic equation. But some quadratic equations are there which have no reduction, non-reducible, quadratic factor. X square plus x plus 1. We can't factor this quadratic equation. When we try to factor this quadratic equation, we get complex number. Therefore, this quadratic equation is non-factorable. So, for such a non-reducible quadratic equation we use in partial fraction, then we can solve the example like this: ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. Here this a and b are arbitrary constant, and this small letter a, b, c are the coefficient of x square, x and c is constant. For example, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to a divided by x minus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus x plus 1. Here a, b, c are arbitrary constant which we want to determine the value. The LCM of right hand side term is LCM x minus 1 into bracket x square plus x plus 1. This LCM, which is on right hand side part, is equals to denominator of the left hand side part. So cancel these two denominator term. Before to cancel, multiply a by x square plus x plus 1, and this second term is multiplied by x minus 1. Then x plus 2 is equals to a into bracket x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into second bracket x minus 1. Then from the first term denominator x minus 1, determine value of x. The value of x from this denominator term is x is equals to 1. So put x is equals to 1 in this equation. But here there are three arbitrary constants a, b and c. For that purpose, consider x is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 1. These two terms are assumed term. Now put x is equals to 1 in this equation. We get 1 x, the value of x is 1 plus 2 3 is equals to a into bracket, the value of x is 1 square becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1, and here in second term there is x minus 1, the value of x is 1 minus 1 becomes 0 into any value is 0. Therefore this second term is vanishes and we get 3 is equals to 3a. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so 3a. Then transfer this 3 on the left side denominator. So we get a is equals to 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Similarly, now put x is equals to 0 in this equation. We get 0, the value of x is 0, so 0 plus 2, so 2 is equals to, the value of a is 1, so 1 into bracket, the value of x is 0 square 0 plus 1 plus the value of x is 0 into any value becomes 0, so we get c. The value of x is 0 minus 1 minus 1. Then 2 is equals to 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into c minus c. Then transfer this 1 to this side. So 2 minus 1 is equals to minus c. The value of c is equals to minus 1. Then put the value of x is equals to minus 1 in this equation. So minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 1. X is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Then equal to, the value of a is 1. It is not necessary to write 1. Therefore, into bracket, the value of x is minus 1. Minus 1's square is 1. Then minus 1 into plus, so minus plus minus 1 plus 1. then plus minus b plus c. The value of c is minus 1, so minus 1. Value of x is minus 1, minus 2. Then 1 is equals to plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining term is 1 plus minus sign common outside, minus into bracket b my plus 1, minus sign common outside, then square bracket close, minus 2. Minus minus become plus. This 1 transfer to the left side. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 0 is equals to minus minus plus 2 into bracket b plus 1. Transfer this 2 on the left side. So we get 0 divided by 2, 0. 0 is equals to b plus 1. And the value of b is equals to minus 1. Then substitute value of a, b and c in equation 1. Then the solution of this part is x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to value of a is 1. 1 divided by x minus 1. Then the value of b is minus, but here we consider plus sign, so use first plus. Then the value of b is minus 1. The value of b is minus 1. Put here minus 1. So minus 1 into x, minus x. Then there is next term is plus c. The value of c is minus 1. So plus and this minus. So plus minus minus, minus 1 divided by. In the denominator there is non-reducible quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1. So x square plus x plus 1. Then from these two terms consider minus sign outside, and the final result is 1 divided by x minus 1, minus sign common outside, x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 is the final result of the partial fraction. Thank you for watching my video. I will be coming with new topic in my next video soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.